Hi, I'm Adam Burke from AdRoll. Wouldn't you like to spend $100 in marketing to generate $1,000 in sales?
Yeah, that sounds great.
How about bringing people back to your site who left without converting and turning them into customers?
Absolutely.
Well, that's exactly what AdRoll helps you do. How do we do it? Are we rocket scientists? Well, yeah, actually some of us are.
Every so often, something revolutionary comes along that changes the way marketing works.
15 years ago, it was search engine marketing. Today, it's retargeting, and that's what AdRoll does best. Here's how retargeting works. Meet Sophie. Sophie's on your site shopping for shoes. The style is right, and the price is right, but life gets in between Sophie and her new pair of shoes.
Hi, buddy.
How many people like Sophie are you losing every day? With AdRoll, we can remind Sophie where she left off, whether she's reading the news or connecting with friends on Facebook, and show her an ad for your site to bring her back and close the deal.
Retargeting alone is great, but whether you sell shoes, flights, or gadgets, personalized ads can increase your click-through rate and conversions by over 100%. Using our Liquid Ads technology, we'll be able to show Sophie a personalized ad based on the shoes she looked at on your site. And we've built tools that automate the process to get you up and running quickly. Great ads are part of the equation, but they also need to be shown in the right places. That means high-quality websites that your customers love. With our massive reach, you get access to 95% of the web, including Facebook.
Since 2007, we've been building tools that make it easy for businesses like yours to accomplish this. That's why more companies trust AdRoll than anyone else in the industry. But the only thing at AdRoll better than our technology is our people. Our account management team of industry experts can help you get set up and will pore over your data to ensure your campaigns are working as hard as they can to exceed your goals. AdRoll also offers the most efficient pricing in the industry. With no minimum spends and no contracts, we make it easy to get started. So launch your free trial today or talk to one of our brand solutions experts about a test that makes sense for you. If you want high return on investment, you've come to the right place.